Tonight, we've got new information on the sexual harassment investigation into D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser's former chief of staff, John Falcicchio. A few hours ago, Mayor Muriel Bowser's legal counsel took questions and provided an updated timeline that contradicts what the mayor told reporters just 2 days ago.
Our chief investigative reporter, Eric Flack, was one of those on the scene Monday when Mayor Bowser said she learned of the allegations against Falcicchio late last week. He joins us in the studio now with much more.
And Flack, what we've learned today is that that's just not true, right?
It's not, Les. There's really no other way to say it, and we have the video to prove it. First, let's start by letting you hear from Mayor Bowser on Monday when she was asked, when did you learn about the sexual harassment allegations against your former chief of staff, Deputy Mayor for Planning and Economic Development, John Falcicchio?
When and how did you first become aware that there were problems, allegations, or concerns that led you to request this investigation?
Mark, I can say that late last week we initiated an investigation.
When did you become aware that there were allegations of some type of wrongdoing that led you to make
the day before?
Just a couple hours ago, it was the mayor's deputy director of the Office of Legal Counsel doing all the talking and offering a completely different timeline, saying it was March 8th when the Office of Legal Counsel was made aware of the sexual harassment allegations against Falcicchio, and Mayor Bowser ordered an investigation the next day. Remember, that's a full week before when she originally told reporters she knew. That same day, March 9th, Falcicchio was notified about the allegations and sent home, where he remained on administrative leave until he turned in his resignation Friday, March 17th. Then on Monday of this week, the alleged victim's attorney releasing a statement accusing Falcicchio of sexual harassment and unwanted sexual contact. Mayor Bowser's administration originally announced Falcicchio's abrupt departure in a footnote on a press release, which read, quote, "We thank Deputy Mayor John Falcicchio for his years of service to the district as he transitions to the private sector." The mayor's legal counsel asked today if the administration was trying to hide anything.
Despite the attorney for the complainant disclosing some information, we have a greater duty as the government to respect the privacy of the parties to the issue, as well as any potential witnesses and their colleagues. So during that time, there were very few people who knew about this situation, and we were requested to keep it confidential, and we are also required to. And I believe that part of that was also, not acknowledging exactly what was going on at that specific time.
The mayor's legal counsel said the mayor waited until Falcicchio got an attorney before disclosing the investigation and would not say if other alleged victims had come forward. As far as those allegations of unwanted sexual contact, the mayor's legal counsel said today she, quote, "can't get ahead of the facts, but evidence of criminal behavior would be referred to law enforcement." Leslie?
Yeah, before you go, Flack, so did the mayor or her legal counsel give any explanation about why the mayor initially told reporters that she didn't know about these allegations against her chief of staff until late last week?
She did not clarify that at the press conference. We followed up with an email both to her spokesperson and the Office of Legal Counsel to say, hey, please help us understand what the discrepancy was here, why she said what she said, and we have not heard back. When we do, you'll be sure that we will let you know.
All right, we know you'll stay on top of it. And of course, you can continue to follow all the twists and turns of the story here to see everything we know in one place. Just go to WUSA9.com or you can download our free mobile app.